Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In this video I will be showing how to set up multiple cameras in StreamYard, okay? And this was a requested video by one of my YouTube subscribers, so I am doing this video. So if you are new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please consider sticking around by smashing that subscribe button, checking out all of the other content on my channel, and sharing out the video, leaving me a comment, because I do love interacting with you all. For my returning members and subscribers, welcome back, fam. Welcome back, welcome back. Alright, so without further ado, Lego, let's get into it. Alright, so at the bottom of this screen you see mute, stop cam, settings, present, invite, leave studio. Okay, so this will be a fairly quick video. Okay, so if I had an extra camera added to this computer, I would hit present, extra camera, okay, and then I could say share, and then you will now see two of this same camera here, but it will definitely be a different one if I had it an extra. Now if I wanted to add another camera, I could just merely, or another angle, okay, if you will, I could just merely go on my phone, go on my iPad, go anywhere that has a extra camera, and what I'm doing, that has a camera on it. What I'm doing now is going to StreamYard, okay, and I'm going to sign into StreamYard, so bear with me just a moment. I'm gonna try to make this short and sweet. Oh, no. Alright, here we go. And then in this camera angle, I would then have to add this camera angle. So all you do basically is to sign in. Hopefully we can get in on this phone in just a second. Okay, so you will see the stream that you're in. I'm going to enter the studio. Sometimes it'll take a minute. We're going to allow access to the mic and the camera. I'm just going to, it wants my name. I'm going to mute the mic. And as you see, we now have another angle. So this is how so your first one, you would present, pick whichever camera it is. Then if you needed 4 or 5 angles, you go to different devices and enter in the studio on those different devices, okay? So I hope this makes sense for you, and it was my pleasure to answer your question on this video. So until next time, peace, be blessed, and stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. Bye guys.